Alrighty, so I've been getting a lot of requests to go ahead and make a video on how to trade Forex. So I'm going to go over some Forex basics with you guys. And this is going to be a pretty short video just to get you set up. And if you guys want to learn more, you can always just join my channel. But let's go ahead and get started. So first thing is, what the hell is Forex? Forex is going to be the value between two countries' economic currencies. So let's just say like the value of the US dollar versus Europe and vice versa. This is one of the few markets where you can win no matter if the trade is buying or selling. So if it's buying, as in this chart you see here, it's going upward. Alrighty, and if it's selling, it would be going downward. Simple. So what is the goal? Well, with proper analysis, you can determine the direction of the currency pair or indice or metal or whatever instrument you trade to see if it will buy or sell. So you might ask, well, how do you determine the direction? Well, there are many ways to determine the direction of a trade, if it's up or see, I can't seem to talk today. But it's basically up to the trader on what technique he or she will use, basically. Now, I'll go ahead and go over some of my favorite techniques. One of them is called Fibonacci retracement. So we'll go ahead and go down here. So Fibonacci simplified is when you look at a trending market, whether if it's buying or selling, like I showed you back there, and you're looking for an entry point during a pullback. So basically it's buying, as you can see here, but you want to enter here, which is a pullback. Basically having the opportunity to go in when price is at a better point. Let's say you missed all this action right here. Then it's just like, all right, you got to wait for that to pull back. So if it pulls back over here and it goes into these percentage levels, as you can see here, 38.2, 50, or 68.1, and it, what we call rejects those lines, that can give you a clear indication that it will go back up. Now, there is a video kind of going into more detail of this. I'm just here to just give you the basics. But before you even put in a trade, you must know how, understand how lot sizes and pips work. Alrighty, so a pip is basically percent in price. I don't give a fuck about that. So it really just means points. So each whole point in a trade will determine how much money you make or lose. And how do you know how much money you're making or losing? Well, let's go ahead and look at this diagram that we have here. Here is a lot size, is the amount you risk in a trade. So we have what's called micro lots. Micro lots are these little ones right here. You would just type in 0.01, and that equals 10 cents per pip or per point. The market goes up or down if you're buying or selling. Same thing with a mini lot. If you put in a 0.10, each 0.10, 0.20, 30, whatever, it's $1 per pip. That's what it equals when you use the broker KOT forex, which we will go over in just a second here. A standard, when you put in 1.00 in your MetaTrader app, that means you're risking $10 a pip, and I really hope, I sure for God hope you know what you're doing if you're using a standard bot. All right, let's continue. Risk management. We're going to love this one. Risk management is the percentage of the amount risk of the account size. So rule of thumb, risk should be between 1 and 3% of the account size per trade. So the bigger the account size, the better you will be able to risk. And if you have great risk management and proper analysis, it's really hard to lose or blow your account so fast. For example, if you have a 100K account, do not risk no more than $1,000 to $3,000 per trade to avoid extreme drawdown using those lot sizes that I just showed you a few seconds ago. How to set up a trading account, I personally use the broker KOT forex. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that for you. So with KOT forex, that is where you not only deposit your money, but you also withdraw it once you make money in the MetaTrader 4 app. But before you can put money into your MetaTrader 4 app, you need to put money into your broker. So basically your broker, you can just think of it as a electronic wallet. that your money goes into before it's put into the app. This protects you from getting scammed by someone trying to get your details and steal your dang money. And this also just allows you to be able to actually get your money in different currencies. Like if you want your money in Canadian dollars, Japanese dollars, yen, any of that, you could do it through a broker. So let's continue here. To add money into your broker account and then put into MetaTrader, you can look this part up on YouTube. Now, the easiest way I do it is I do it through Bitcoin via Cash App. Everybody got Cash App. That Cash App is so much easier to me. From there, you can add money to your broker wallet, and then within the website, go ahead and do the transfer. So you'll be able to start making them trades and get this bread, because that's what we want, is this bread. Let's continue. So these two videos on YouTube will show you how to exactly set it up. They're literally 2, 3, 5-minute videos. So these two, just go ahead and copy those exact words and look for this thumbnail, and you'll be able to get started right away. Usually when you transfer Bitcoin, it takes at least about an hour for it to go through the blockchain, get approved, and go into your broker wallet. And once it gets into your broker wallet, it actually takes seconds to put it from your broker wallet to your MetaTrader 4 app. Now, once you have set up your money in your account, I need you to watch this video right here, placing a trade in your MT4 platform. You're probably wondering, what the hell is MT4? So I'm going to get out of this screen and I'm going to show you what it is. If you already know what it is, now you can stop this video and go on with your day. Alrighty, so here's what MetaTrader 4 looks like. You're gonna have this little thing right here. Alrighty. You can get this on iOS, Android, and PC. So it's pretty versatile. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm in a couple of trades right now, but how to place a trade is fairly simple. So basically you're going to press this little double arrow thing back here, and you're going to choose which currency you want to, do. And as you're starting forex, you want to study at least maybe 1 or 2 pairs that you're really good with. My favorite is gold. As you can see here, it's really fast moving, really good for making quick money. Wouldn't start you off there. I would probably start you off, if I was training you, with Euro USD. Definitely a slower pair and easy to learn. So if you want to put in an order, all you literally do is you just press this, you go to new order, and this is where you put your lot size. So micro lot, mini lot starts here, and standard lot start here. So that's where you put that. These little things right here is called a take profit and a stop loss. A stop loss is where you want to risk your 1 to 3%. You just kind of look at the number here and you would press the square button and you would put in whatever stop loss you wanted. So let's say if I want to put my stop loss at like 1.17 thousand, I can go ahead and do that, and so forth. Once you picked the amount you want to risk, your stop loss and your take profit, you don't necessarily have to put these two in there. You can do it without it. I always recommend putting one in so you can get in and out the market. All you literally do from there is you would just press the either buy or sell button, and when you do that, it places a trade for you. And I put this one in as a buy, 10 cents a pip. So right now it's up, well, -5. Probably will not be doing a buy for this one, but this is just for show. Once you do that, now you're trading. Look at that. So go ahead and read through this, pause the video if you need anything else. If you have any questions and you personally know me, just DM me, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. But from Las Vegas, Nevada, I bid you farewell. That was corny as shit. All right, peace out, y'all.